everybody. Now we're making, avocado ice cream. And now let's follow how to cut this safely. Remember to do a circle. Oopsies. And I messed up. And see, I messed up.
That's it.
This is my first time using a knife. My mom let me anyways. So yeah. Everybody, now we're gonna have to take the skin off, which is kind of easy. It's my favorite part, I think. Or maybe putting it in the blender is my favorite part. Or putting the whip. I don't know. Ooh, that's slippery. So slippery. Put this inside the blender. And now we're gonna take this one out because it's the easiest one. Well, I could tell it's the easiest one because see, you could just peel it off. Remember to wash your hands after this. Take a spoon and take this out. Ooh, that's awesome. I'm gonna have a messy hand today. By the way, I have a dog and a cat. Milk in, as you can see. We're gonna have to have 6 cups of the spoon of this. Okay. Condensed milk. Whoa, that's the rest. That's some yellow spots. I'm gonna take them out. On, like this. And turn it on, which is right here. And now we have to put at 6.
No, 3.
3, and then
First of all, 3.
First of all, 3. And then whoa! It's not that noisy, by the way. 6. Now 6, right? Okay, now we have to put our 6. Do this whole thing up. Okay, my mom's gonna hold it for me. This looks so yummy. Yum. Okay, now we're gonna have to pour this inside the cream. Okay, everybody, I love this color. It's like so summery and stuff. So you have to like take the bottom to the top like that, or you could like, and you have to do it softly. Until you can't see the color white, okay guys? Only the color green. I think this is gonna be really light because we put the whole thing.
No, keep it cream myself.
Remember to like do it softly so you can take the cream will be soft and it won't be too hard. Hello everybody. Now my mom is mixing for me. And remember that if you mix it, it has to have the bubbles out, okay? Or before your ice cream is gonna be really hard. Okay, everybody, so I have to tell you something. You could change the recipe anyways. So you can put mango or strawberry or something.
Instinct avocado.
Instinct avocado, that's small. We got the big ones, right? Now we gotta put it inside the
glass container.
Yeah, don't put too much or you can't close it. So I'm gonna put it in. My mom is holding it because it's still really heavy. Ooh, that sounds so good. Oh, I see some white.
Okay.
Okay. I have to do this. Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to do the same thing as the ice cream we made yesterday at night, when my dad's not home. We gotta smooth it out. It still have the bubbles, which is good. We gotta put on the cap. Okay, wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we gotta put the cap on, as you can see right here. Oh, it's closing, which is good. Okay, now put it inside the freezer for 6 hours. If it's at night, then do it overnight, okay? Whoa, that's a loud noise. Okay.